Was that entrance necessary, dude? Are you necessary, dude? Anyways, today holds the first ever elimination, whatever it's called. Here are the votes. There were 4 votes for Guy and 1 vote for Bert. Wow. So that means I am eliminated? Yes! Bye-bye. Now that Guy's in the box of losers, cue the intro! La. Where are we, dudes? We're at platform. Also, I'll be giving you wings to win this flying race. Just start the challenge. Here's your wings, guys. Oh, he's dead. We respawn, dude. Dream team! Dream team! This is fun. Time is running out, friends. EY's in first place. TNT's in second place. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Bert is in third place. Alright, so that means I'll show the people who are getting eliminated. Now, vote in the comments of who you think you want to be eliminated.